Kai for 5 minutes. Let's go. And today of my topic is uh, this describe your future in the next 5 years. So before I will talking about this topic, this time is speaking English on my channel for therefore yeah. Oh, therefore now it's good. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go to talk this about this topic. This describe you are in the next 5 years. I think if in the next 5 years I will go to a Kosen student, Kosen Japan student from like this is a blue catcher this Kosen I want to be there in Japanese, so I want to try my best. Yes, and personality daily that we try the healthy body. Yeah, because I needed to be the fat people. So it's in recently I will work out and diet a little bit. So yeah, for the next 5 years I will have a good healthy guys stuff like that. Okay, and the subject and the subject and skill I want to need or I want to have in the next 5 years about about coding or engineering, computer engineering, IT, or robotics, stuff like that. Because in Kosen I want to get the subject is computer engineering. Yeah. So I think this skill, I think I choose this skill is the main skill, and another skill that I learning recently, like Japanese, English, and mathematics, physics, stuff like that. I will be the another skill that can be the dot product, which of my main skill is the is the technology knowledge skills. Yes. In my future I want to be the name of I want to be a digital nomad, that is the traveler and working too. So I want to be the person like that. Yeah, because in the future I want to be I can work and I can traveling together. Yes, and sure the place that I will traveling is Japan. Yeah, because I love Japan very much. Okay. Uh, the another topic. How you have changed from today? Yes, I think I chant myself is good enough before uh, before then I 1 year or 2 year ago, because that time I cannot go to the Thai Kosen. I think that time for me is very best, and that time I decide to chant myself to be a better person, to be a productivity person, to be the good person that I want to be. And I find have a one chance to be a hostel student. So now I am trying my best to be a course student once, to be a course student again. Yeah, that's road is called Momuka Gakusho scholarship. I think I will to be a course student with this load, go to year 3 of course and year 4 year 5, and I think I will I will get into the advanced course for PhD degree stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 5 minutes. Oh, I think this video I will talk is a better than another video that I talk about. I think this is a good improve good improve good improvement. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.